It's one of the most common reasons people get sent to the trauma center.
If you're 65 and older and you fall and you hit your head, you could have a head injury, you could have a brain bleed. If you break one of your larger bones, like your femur, you could lose a lot of blood.
Falls most commonly occur in the bathroom. Getting handrails installed in your shower can help.
Make sure they're installed by a licensed contractor, and so that they're actually put into the stud of the wall. Don't buy the, as seen on TV, suction cup grab bars.
It's just one of the things you can do to make your home safer.
Pick up your throw rugs if you don't need them. If you do need them, make sure they're non-skid. Proper lighting. If you have stairs, you want lighting. You want that light switch at the bottom of the stairs and the top of the stairs. So that you're not traveling up to turn it on.
Always be sure to wear appropriate footwear, even inside your house.
I know it's Florida, but get rid of the flip-flops. So you want to wear shoes that are sturdy, more like a tennis shoe, squared heel, low to the ground, not ones that are high.
Prevention can also come in the form of physical therapy.
It could be maybe a vision problem or a hearing problem, or like dizzy and vertigo, things like that, things that can actually be fixed.
If you live alone, always be sure to keep a cell phone on you in case of an emergency. If you do have a fall, it's best to call 911 and be checked out. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.